Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve. So to do that, I'm just going to quickly zoom in on the video. For instance, I want to freeze the frame here, so I'm just going to use this to trim it, and also go to like the other side of the clip. If I can just do that, like here for instance, and then I'm just going to trim that again. Right click on the video, select change clip speed, then here you're just going to select freeze frame and then select change, and as you can see the frame will freeze. Here you can make the duration longer too. So for instance, you want to freeze it for a few seconds, you can do that. But that's pretty much how you can freeze frame on DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!